Hello guys, welcome to today's video. You may remember in the last video we spoke about preposition of place. Today we're going to take a closer look into preposition of time. It's very similar, however it's just a few different things. So I'm going to explain step by step. So, in the last video, I introduced you to our beautiful arrow. This time we're going to make a little bit of a change. This time we're going to add two words, general, specific. Now it's the same kind of rules of last time, however, once again it's just a few little changes. So, preposition of time. We have in, which is in this area, on is in the middle, at is here. Now once again, in is very general, on is in the middle, at very specific. So let's start with in. Here I'm going to add a timeline. So as you can see, we have a period of time. This could be something, for example, in the summer, so this could be the summer, in June, it could be in 1998, so it's anything that requires a period of time. So Josh, when were you born? I was born in 1988. Now we don't know whether that is in January, in May, in August, it could be in December. We don't know. All we know that is in this period of time. So that is why in is very general. It's a very general answer. The same again, my birthday is in June. We don't know when, it could be the 1st, the 15th, the 20th, the 28th. We don't know. However, on is a little bit more specific. So, I was born in 1988 on Tuesday. Okay, so it's a little bit more information about you or the information that you're giving to another person. Okay, so here it could be on Tuesday or maybe a number on the 10th. So if we have a little bit more information, which is a little bit more specific, we tend to use on. Now, if we were to stick to the same question, when were you born? When is your birthday? We tend to not use at. However, if I were to change the question, when is your birthday party? My birthday party is in a few weeks. So we have the period of time on Saturday at 6 o'clock. So we are now a lot more specific and we're giving a lot more information about the time that we are using to say. Now with this in mind, once again, with English there are exceptions. Some exceptions are, if you think about Christmas, for some reason we would say at Christmas on Christmas Day. So if it's a celebration or a holiday with the word day, we use on my birthday, on Christmas Day. However, if you're going to speak about a holiday without the word day, we use at Christmas, at Easter. Apart from that, if you follow these rules, this will help you to speak about a length of time. So remember, in, we don't know when. We just know it's in this period of time. On is a little bit more specific. At, very specific. Well, that's all from today, guys. I hope I have been able to help you master prepositions. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If not, we'll see you for the next video.